Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to continue our discussion on the module on the use of quant mode and performance analytics in computing for returns, whether it's simple, another name for simple is discrete, okay? Simple or discrete or arithmetic, they're the same. And then the other one is log or continuous. Okay, and we said that log returns or continuous returns are preferred over simple or discrete returns or arithmetic returns. So last time we learned that two important packages that we can use are quant mode and performance analytics. Quant mode is what I call tour de force as far as package in R is concerned. And if you check the help function here, if you go to packages, okay, packages and then quant mode, you'll find here in the help, if you click quant mode, then you have here the functions that you can use. Okay, we have used so far get symbols. Okay, get symbols, we used this last time. And there are others that we can use, get symbols.alphavantage, get symbols.fred, get symbols.bloomberg, okay, MySQL, Wanda, where you can get currency, however limited class. Okay, of course, itong Yahoo, which is what we are using. Before there used to be also Google, no? Kaso wala na eh. Wala nang Google dito. Okay, then also later we will do this function chart series. We're going to plot financial data. Chart series or candle chart is used for creating financial charts. Then later also we're going to use a sample of adding technical analysis, technical indicators. Okay, for example, let's see, add Bollinger Bands, okay? Add MACD, moving average, convergence, divergence, add relative strength index. Okay, so these are technical indicators that you can add with your plots, which we're going to see in a while. Okay, so far we have learned about get symbols, and for get symbols, you can use the basic get symbols, but you have to know the ticker symbol of the asset. The default is Yahoo, unless you're getting macroeconomic data from Fred, then you have to specify source is equal to Fred. If you're getting stock prices from Yahoo, you can just delete this. It's okay, it will run. And then also identify the start date and the end date. If you don't put this class, we said that it will default into 2007-01-01 and the latest trading day. Auto.assign is equal to true is also a default when you're not using another name to give to your object, then okay. So in fact, pwede class ito lang. Pwedeng get symbols Apple lang. And then it will download data, and then all the defaults for that get symbols will be implemented. Okay, so here we just identified this beginning and the end of the data. Okay, all right, then so when we run this, it will automatically create an object with the name Apple, also the ticker symbol. If you want to give it a different name, then use this. Give it a different name, whatever name you want, stock 1, stock 2. Okay, I would use an instructive name, okay, maybe small letter AAPL, and then the only difference is that you have to use this auto.assign is equal to false. Okay, if you write here true, then check what will happen. Okay, I want you to experiment and see what will happen and observe. Okay, but you have to remove first the small AAPL if you have an existing one. Okay, I'll not run those because we have run those small AAPL, big AAPL. And then we said that we can compute, before we continue, this is an XTS object, right? Extensible time series. And what's unique about an extensible time series is that the index is the date. The index is the date. Let me just show that by way of review class. Here, the index here, it's a date. It's different from a data frame where the index is just the regular counting number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And an XS object will give us a six column data, We can, of course, as we did last time, access just create an object that only carries one of the variables there. What we did was to create this object, Apple adjusted close, and then we did it by accessing the Apple dataset, $apple.adjusted. So we know that this will create now another an object with this one, with just one column. Now, what is that used for? It's useful for using the daily return or return that calculate in quant mode and performance analytics, because those functions are good for univariate time series. Okay, univariate means isa lang class, no? Just like this one. Where is that? Apple adjusted close. Do I have it here? I'll just print it class. Apple adjusted close here. So we know it's an XS object and it only has one column. All right. We can use I'm having problem printing it there. It takes so long. Okay, we can use daily return or return that calculate for an objects that have only one column. We experimented last time. We used Apple, and it just generated one returns, right? It did not generate the returns for all the columns. And I asked you to try to discover what is that? Is it the returns of open, the high, the low, the close, etc. So that could be asked in the exams class, in the face-to-face exams on R. Okay. Now, we said that we can generate an object of returns. This is simple returns, and we use just daily return. Okay, that's coming from quant mode. The object that we're computing the returns from is this one, the one that we created, and type is equal to arithmetic. Okay, you can see here. Type is equal to arithmetic, okay, which is the same as simple or discrete. All right, and then when you generate this, we said, okay, very quick summary, that this object, Apple simple returns quant mode, will generate, okay, the first row will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we said that this is inaccurate because simple returns is equal to the value at time t divided by the value at time t minus 1. But in fact, this data, January to 2020, does not have a previous value. So technically, this should be an NA. Okay, but quant mode defaults into a 0, 0, 0. So this is not NA. So that if you use this object, Apple simple returns quant mode, in computing, let's say for example, okay, although I think I already demonstrated this to you before. Okay, let me get the mean of AAPL. What's that object? Simple. Hindi siya nagpapakita. Returns underscore. So huli na. Quant mode. Okay. Now, it will generate a value class because this was not treated as an NA. It was treated as a value. Okay. Unlike class, the other one. Okay. Now I have to number 2 there. Unlike the other one class, the performance analytics. Let me just illustrate that here. Okay, we're going to use return.calculate. There are other functions class in performance analytics, not only return.calculate, that can compute for this one class. And we said that the default is simple, Apple adjusted, is it the same? Apple adjusted close, okay? And here we're using the name, the object name Apple simple returns PA. So if I arrow here, arrow up, okay, sorry, arrow up in order to access the previous codes, and then here I'll replace this by PA, no? PA to, no? PA, and let's get the mean of this one, Control Enter. And the difference is that you get NA. Okay, you're not able to get the mean because this one, okay, we can, I'll just close some of the printout here. Ito class C Apple log returns PA. There you go, it's NA, no? Automatic nag-NA siya. Okay, so may NA dito, so hindi siya magkukuha ng mean. So what do we do with this? You can omit this. So pwedeng ganito class, again, mean ng, okay, sobra. Okay, can put your NA dot omit. Okay, there. NA dot omit. Okay, let's see if this will run. Control Enter. There. Okay, nag-run siya class, no? Yes, Kyle? Kyle,
Yung
yes.
po is nakalagay po not object not found po.
Which one? Sa?
Both po for
Sige.
and
All right, I'll stop recording, stop share. Okay, kindly share your screen, please, Kyle. Okay, thank you again for those questions. Huh? Okay, let's help Kyle, please. I want you this time, the class, to give a suggestion on what to do. Okay, check natin. Apple simple returns quant mode. Go to your objects. Go to your data, Kyle. You have there. Do you have their Apple up there? Can you increase the size of the para makita natin? I-move mo to the right yung increase mo yung window ng ng environment. Sige, do that. Okay, sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay. All right, so you have Apple AA option. Tingnan natin kung existing Apple underscore simple underscore returns Apple underscore simple under return underscore quant mode. Okay, so it's existing. Sige, pati yung PA existing din. Sige, again, move your window to the left again. Sige, tingnan natin. AAPL simple, nakita ko na. Hindi yata return returns, hindi returns, Kyle, dapat return. Click mo na lang sa baba. Wag mo na i-type, no? Go arrow down ka, arrow down. Yan, okay? So class, this is a technique also. When you type the name, nag-i-intelligence si R eh. Nag-i-guess siya kung ano yung object na yon. So you don't have to type everything, lalo na kung mahaba yung name, no? You just go arrow down. I-click nyo kung ano yung na identify niya. And then, so okay na, di ba? Ulit yung isa. Open parenthesis, Apple, AAPL, underscore, simple. Arrow down ka na. Yung PA naman. Yung PA naman, Kyle. Backspace ka. Backspace. Okay. Yan. So si PA, notice na NA siya. Bakit? Kasi si PA, may NA yan sa simula, di ba? Okay, so how do we treat that? Sige, min, tapos na.omit ka. Ilagay mo na.omit. Type mo. na.omit. There. Then Apple ulit. Apple, AAPL. Sige, sa loob ng parenthesis. Yun, yung PA ulit. Yan, sige. Run mo na siya. Control Enter. There you go. Okay? All right. Does that answer your question, Kyle?
Yes, sir. Thank you po.
Okay, good. Yeah, thank you so much, class, for questions like this. Kasi we learn, no? We learn from those. And then, okay. So si Katrina naman. Katrina, may question ka? Yes.
For me, kahit na min NA omit ng AAPL, Simple Returns PA, nag-NA pa rin po siya sa akin.
Sige nga, tingnan natin. Let's see.
Wait.
Please share your screen, Katrina. Okay. Print muna natin yung tingnan nga natin yung go to your environment, please. Can you increase yung screen mo sa, ayan. Asa na yung yung Apple Simple Returns. Wala kang wala ka pang dyan. May ka ba? May PA? Wala, I don't see any PA there. Diba? I-increase mo yung size ng window mo. Move mo yung sa boundary na yan, move it to the right. Hindi dyan. Yung sa vertical window mo, vertical. Yan. Sige. Magkaka-arrow yan. Yan. Hindi ba? Sige. Yan, okay. Sige pa. Wala ka pang wala kasi hindi niya makita, no? Wala siyang makitang AAPL _simple _returns _PA. Asa na ba yun? Asa na yung function na yun? Oh, okay, ito, no? Okay, Apple Simple Returns _PA. Apple. Ba't ganyan yung function mo? Parang mali yung function mo, yung row 425, no? Apple Simple Returns PA. Bakit may pangalan dyan na Apple Simple, i-run mo nga yung 425, Control Enter mo. Okay, ano sabi? So, magkakaroon ka ng, tingnan mo yung sa, yung yung Apple Simple Returns PA, nasa ilalim, nasa values, yan. Bakit? Kasi yung code mo, sabi mo, Apple Simple Returns PA, and it's equal to a name, no? Ayun, no? Apple Simple Returns PA, naka-code siya. So, character siya, no? Character siya, ibig sabihin, nag-create nga ng object, pero nasa ilalim siya. It's just a character vector. Okay? So, you did not create the XTS object. Sige, i-correct natin yan. Tanggalin mo siya, remove that, yung quotes, no? Remove that, everything. Remove everything, delete mo siya, delete, sige. Okay, then delete ka pa nga para pumunta sa next line yung yung rate performance analytics. Sige, mag-delete ka. Just press delete. Hindi back arrow yan eh. Alt minus ka ulit, alt minus. Okay. Yan, okay. So, ito na, return that calculate, Apple adjusted close, no? Alright, sige, i-run mo yan. O, tingnan mo ngayon sa tingnan mo ngayon sa environment mo. Yan, may PA ka na. Alright. Tapos may NA yon. Okay, punta ka na sa console mo. Sa console, back, mag-arrow. O, sige, pwede mong i-copy na lang. O, pwede ka rin mag-arrow down, no? Control C. I-run mo yan. Okay? Kasi may NA.omit, di ba?
Opo.
Alright,
Yes.
so meron na siya. Okay, good. So good, thank you. Thank you, Katrina. Okay, any other questions? Katrina, okay, good. Sige, thank you so much, class. Thank you so much. Okay, so we note what did we learn here? Okay, very specific yung codes kasi, no? So yung kay Katrina, what happened was she created an object Apple returns simple and then PA, and then she named that she associated with it with a character. So kunyari, quote Bob. So magkre-create nga ng Apple Simple Returns PA, pero yung laman nun, Bob, ano siya, yung it will be a character, no? So nung nag-mean, kinuha ni Katrina yung mean, nag-ano siya, nag-NA. Okay? So very good lessons for us, class. Thank you. Thank you, Kyle, and thank you, Katrina, for those questions. Okay. As I said, I'd like to encourage these questions kasi we learn from each other. Okay. And maybe some of your classmates are quite shy to ask questions. So thank you for the courage of our classmates to ask these questions. Okay, let me once again share the.
Sir,
Okay. I hope you
question po.
don't. Yes. Yes. Sige, sige. Okay,
Sir,
what's your question?
curious question. Yung data po ba, like the data names, is device specific or not? Kasi when I tried using my other device, I need to
Mhm.
run yung data names po ulit again. Na nakasave
Would
na
you
po
like to
dun.
shut? Gusto mo i-share yung screen mo?
I can naman po. Out of
Sige.
curiosity lang.
Yeah. No, yung curiosity, mga importanteng question yan, di ba? That means that nag-iisip tayo. That means that we're looking beyond yung mga simple codes na ganyan. And that's very important. Sige, Sat, kindly please.
Full disclosure po, kasi I have two
Sige.
devices. Yung isa po, dinadala ko sa school. Yung isa, home
Okay.
setup. Then,
Okay.
yung data po, when I transferred here, kasi for some reason, nagpa-power trip. So, I went to my laptop. Dun po sa main device ko dito sa setup, naka-load siya. But here, sa laptop po, I had to run the codes again. Is it device specific po ba
Kasi
per RMAG?
magkaiba kasing magkaibang machine no? So,
Kahit po same file, sir?
so ibig sabihin, you transferred the file to yung project mo
Another,
mismo, transfer mo sa isang
yung,
sa isang machine.
no po, yung RMD file lang. Okay. So, dapat yung
Dapat
project yung isa.
dapat yung project mismo, no? Oh, that's why I
Okay
said,
po, sir.
dapat mas maganda yun. That's a very important question, Sat. Ang question ni Sat kasi, it's all about the project class. So, if you have this project, you save it in, let's say, in a device na, portable drive, for example, and then you're going to load that portable drive in another machine, mag-run yun. Yung na-save mo dun sa sa project mo. Okay? So, that's why I said that projects are very important, not only because it allows you to automatically save your files, but also when you transport it to another machine, mag-run pa rin siya. Kasi ando dun di ba? Ando dun yung nakasave lahat dun yung yung files. Okay? Sat, did that answer your question?
Yes po, sir. Noted po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Good. All right. Another important question, Good. Okay, I don't mind us class, I don't mind us not being able to cover everything. Pero I hope you don't mind me also. I hope okay lang sa inyo class. Notice na hindi ko binigay yung natin. Hindi ko pinost yung natin kasi medyo na-delay tayo ng konti, no? So what I did was to post the other section. So ang gagawin nyo na lang class, kung whatever we were not able to cover, tingnan nyo na lang dun sa video. Okay, para tayo lagi at par with the other section. But again, please, I'd like to encourage you to ask questions. Ito yung advantage naman natin. Nagtatanong kayo you ask questions, you learn from those questions. And if those questions were not raised in the other section, they also missed out on that, no? They missed out on those questions. Okay, so let me again share my screen. Okay. All right. So we learned class yung difference ni quant mode at saka ni ni performance analytics. Okay. So when you're working with by the way class, tingnan nyo class nag-min ako dito na.umit. Okay. What happened to my PA? Okay, this is very important class. Ano nangyari sa PA ko? Ando dun pa rin class yung yung NA. In this code, sa min, pinanggal lang niya. But it was a procedural deletion. No? Tinanggal lang niya for that process. If you really want class to remove NA, dapat talagang i-assign nyo si Apple Simple Returns PA and then assignment operator and then NA dot, no? NA dot omit. So that way you're creating now a new object without the NA. No? All right. And then when you do that, you can now get the mean again of Apple Simple Returns PA. Hindi nyo na kailangan ilagay NA.omit kasi tinanggal nyo na tinanggal nyo na talaga siya. You remove the row. So you can stop. I just want to show that, no? Control C. Pero I won't run this class, no? Control V. Yan. Tapos alt minus. Okay. NA.omit. And then Apple Simple Returns PA ulit. What will happen? You create an object called Apple Simple Returns, pero tinanggal na yung doon yung NA. All right? So you will now have a data that's now 1256 observations, no? Kasi tatanggalin na yung unang element. Okay, I hope that's clear, class, no? I hope that's clear. So if we really want to remove it, then wag ka lang mag-NA.omit. Don't do that in a function like this. You have to physically create an object, maybe name it differently if you want, and then i-remove mo siya. Or another way to do it, class, is what? Okay. Nagahang tong computer ko. Another way to do it is to pwedeng Apple Simple Returns, assignment operator, Apple Simple Returns PA, and then brackets, class, -1. Diba? Class, yung brackets, it's used for subsetting. Pag -1, class, ibig sabihin, tatanggalin yung first row. Okay? Comment please, class. Is that clear? Pa-chat naman, class, please, if that's clear. Okay, good. Thank you. All right. Okay, thank you so much, class. Okay, now, do you need to remove always yung mga NAs? Let me just clarify this, class. Kasi, for example, NA to. Tapos may isa ka pang NA dito. Okay, let's say you have several NAs. So of course, when you get the mean, when you get the standard deviation, when we run this, class, when you do linear model, LM, okay, when you perform some operations with this data, hindi magalan yan, class, kasi may NA tayo. If there are many NAs, is the solution to remove all the NAs, class? Kasi pwede naman natin gawin yon, no? Pwede natin tanggalin lahat ng NA. This will also work on NA.omit if you have several NAs. Kaso, class, that should be the last thing that you should do. Ito, class, pwede natin tanggalin yung NA dito is because isa lang naman siya. Tapos, talagang expected natin yung NA because it has no prior value. Okay? But what about for other data sets na maraming NA? Okay. The last option will be to remove that data. So there's a process called imputation. Okay, so in the future, we'll learn more about imputation. Imputation is substituting values to your NAs. Nag-i-impute tayo. So lahat ng NAs ito pwede natin i-impute. There are several ways to do this, no? And it's more advantageous rather than just removing the NAs. Okay, bakit advantageous yung imputation, class? Kasi na-preserve natin yung size ng data natin. Okay? And also, possible na yung mga NAs yan, palitan natin. Ano yung mga possible na ginagawa? You can change it with the median of the data. Yung median, di ba yung pinaka-middle, class? So yung effect na, class, is it does not distort, no? It does not distort the central tendency of your data. Or you can get the mean of the data. Okay? Pwede ring mean, yung average. So may less effect yan sa central tendency ng data. Another one is, especially in time series, class, is the imputation ng LOCF. Okay. For example, ito NA to, class, NA. And walang returns dito kasi walang trading. Pero what we can do is that yung returns ng previous day, pwede nating ilagay sa kanya. Okay? Kasi hindi naman gumalaw yung prices, we can assume that so that the returns can be carried forward here. And that's what happens here, class. LOCF, last observation carried forward. Okay, so yung pinaka-last observation before the NA, pwede nating i-carry forward. And that's very logical, class, and acceptable. Pag mga returns or even prices, class, ang pinag-uusapan, tapos maraming NAs. So, kunyari, ang price yesterday is 50 pesos. Tapos ngayon, walang trading. So, wala na record na price. Tapos bukas, merong price, no? So, what's the logical thing to do? Huling option dapat yung tatanggalin. Pwede bang lagyan natin ng median? Maybe not that good for a price data, no? So the most logical there is yung pinakahuling price before the NA, i-forward natin, ba? And that's called LOCF. Okay, and it can be done in R, very easy, class. So kahit maraming mga missing, no? Wag lang yung masyadong kunyari sunod-sunod na kunyari 30 days na NA tapos may in between na ano. That's another discussion pag ganun. All right. So let me once again clear the drawings. And punta na ako dito, class. Again. So let's continue now. Okay, checking the time. Matagal siya okay. All right. Magtatanggal lang ako, class, ng ano. I'll just close some kasi tumatagal eh. Just close this Apple. Tanggalin ko na tong Apple adjusted closure. Alam na naman natin siya. All right, here. Let's now have a quick review, class, of the yung mga natin descriptive statistics. Sa paper nyo, since may data kayo, you'll have to do this. Ilo-load nyo kasi yung data. Tapos, kailangan magko-compute din kayo ng mean. By the way, class, you have to learn how to load your data. The first thing to do is yung data nyo, i-clean nyo na, no? So may isang pangalan may isang name, variable name. Tapos remove remove any extraneous yung mga explanation, make it a clean data, class. And then i-load nyo preferably CSV file, mas maganda. Tapos i-load nyo sa project nyo. Okay, doon nyo ilalagay sa project na i-create nyo for your case. And then you can do read_CSV, class. I-check nyo yung file na yun, yung code na yun, read_CSV coming from tidyverse. All right, and then that will load your data. So you can now get the mean, median mode, for example. Okay, so ito yun, no? By the way, class, make sure that the moments package is also loaded for skewness and kurtosis. So here, what is the function for the mean? Ito lang, mean. Yan, simple. And this is your data. Okay. Now, mean of quant mode, sabi natin, this will run kasi wala naman siyang NA. And also median. Okay. So those are central tendencies. Ito, class, this will not run, di ba? This will not run unless, class, itong PA na to, Apple log returns PA, na-clean na to, tinanggal na yung tinan nyo, class, hindi siya nag-run, no, NA, kasi may NA pa yan. So we have to do this NA.omit, which we did last time. Okay, so we created PA1, okay, yun ang kinuhaan natin ng mean. Alright, lakas ng ulan. Okay, then you have dispersion, class, no? Measures of dispersion, yung variance at saka standard deviation, and the range, pwede. Difference between the maximum and the minimum. Okay, andyan naman ang code, class, no? I'll not be discussing what's the meaning of variance, standard deviation, that's up to you, class, no? So sa paper nyo, kunyari kinumpute nyo yan, print nyo sa paper nyo, katulad ng ganito, class, pag yung concatenate nyo, no? And then so lalabas yung yung print out, just like this. Then of course, sa ilalim, class, explain nyo. Kailangan may may a little explanation. Of course, I don't expect you to have a very comprehensive discussion of your mean, median, measures of central tendency, etc. Variance, okay? Okay, take note of this class, yung variance, ha? Yung variance na makocompute dito, daily yan. Bakit daily? Kasi daily yung data nyo. If you want to get the annual variance, ito, you multiply it by 252. Why? Because there are 252 trading days. For the standard deviation, you have to multiply it by the square root of 252y class. Kasi standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So if you get the square root of the variance, annual variance, masasama yung square yung 252. So ganun din, no? Okay, square root of 252. All right? So this is now your annualized variation and annualized volatility. Volatility is measured by standard deviation. And what I just want to explain here, class, about shape, no? Skewness and kurtosis. Now, yung kurtosis, class, the kurtosis that will be generated here sa moment sa package is the full kurtosis. So you need to subtract 3 there. Now, why 3? I leave that to you, class, to find out. Pero I'm sure na-discuss nyo na dati yan sa nyo, sa basic stat. It has something to do with the normal distribution. Okay? Ayan. So yung excess kurtosis dito, class, 5.3. In order to describe this, class, kailangan i-minus mo siya ng 3. Okay? Just like this. Okay? So the kurtosis function itself will generate the full kurtosis. So yung excess kurtosis ang inaano natin ang ini-interpret, no? So you have to subtract this by 3. So pwede nang kunin na lang yung excess na pala to, class, sorry. Excess na to kasi nag-minus na ako ng 3 dito. Okay. So there's a way to interpret, class, yung kurtosis. Okay, there's also this function, ito, no? Summarize, table.stat summary. Okay, so what this will, iran ko to. What this will print are the sum, okay, number of observations, ilan yung NA sa data natin, what's the minimum value, what's the maximum, quartile 1 is percentile 25, median, arithmetic mean, may standard error of the mean, and then meron pa dito, okay, lower confidence level ng mean, upper confidence level ng mean, variance, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. All right, so I'll leave that, class. Okay, I have some notes here which I provided you with. Okay, let's now go to visualizing. Dito kasi kami nag-focus kanina, no? Let's now learn how to plot field data. So in your paper, class, I would expect you to plot, especially if you're dealing with time series data. Okay. Okay, we're going to use ggplot2. We have already performance analytics, and then reshape. So first of all, make sure that in your packages, naka-load na si ggplot2. So check nyo, class, ggplot2. You know the drill, class? Pag hindi pa naka-load si ggplot2, then check nyo na lang para ma-require. Yan, ggplot2, naka-check na sa akin. Also, reshape, class. Check if this has been loaded. This is to help reshape your ggplot2. So yung reshape 2, class, if hindi pa naka-load sa inyo, then install. Or you can use pacman, pload, and then reshape. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds, please. Kindly please chat in the chat box kung okay na. Okay, good. Thank you. Others, please. Pakihabol sa chat kung done na. Okay, good. I think we did this already before, no? Just thinking. Okay, good. Thank you, everyone. All right, so let's now. Okay, good. Okay, sige. Let's proceed, class. First, we're going to plot. Okay, Kyle, yes, question?
I don't have reshape po.
Reshape. So, i-ano mo, Kyle, install mo siya, no? Dito sa packages, install. Di ba, we already learned how to do that. Packages, install. Okay, click mo to, then ipasok mo si reshape 2. Okay, here. Reshape to, install. Pag na-install mo na, i-check mo, i-type mo ulit dito reshape to. Kailangan i-check mo kasi installing it does not mean loading it.
Okay na po, sir.
Sige, Kyle. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Okay, good. Sige. Thank you. Thank you for asking. All right. I think I gave this to you, class. No? So let's use the chart series function of quant mode. Sa quant mode to, class, no? So let's check first. Chart series, class, very powerful kasi it can plot ito, di ba, 6 na columns to, di ba, open, high, low, close to. OHLC to eh. And then from 2020 to 2024. And then let's give the name of the chart is Apple price chart kasi prices to. And then theme is equal to white. Ang default, class, kasi black. So we can, if you remove this, class, magiging black yung default. Let's see in a while. And then here, technical analysis, class, null. Wala muna tayong ilalagay na indicators. So let's run this first. This one. Let's see how the plot will look like. Okay, there you go. Okay. So, hindi siya clear kasi mahaba yung natin, yung data from 2020 to 2024. Pero class ito, this is OHLC. OHLC, no? With volume. Ito with volume pa nga. Ito volume to eh. Okay? So let's comment this out, class. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Kinoment out ko lang, class, yung theme. Pwede naman yun, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi niya i-run si theme is equal to white. ang i-run niya yung default. Ano ba yung default niya? Run natin, and you can see that the default is black. Black yung background there. Okay? There. So, later, we will subset this kasi hindi natin masyadong makita, no? Okay. Let's move on first here. By the way, class, nakahabol ba? Nakita nyo, class, itong plot natin? Itong chart series ng isang OHLC. Ano yung OHLC? Open, high, low, close. Volume adjusted, di ba? 6 columns yan. Okay. Were you able to follow, class? Okay, kindly check. Wait. Po. Sige. Sorry. Okay. Masyado na yata akong mabilis. Okay, thank you, Janine. Okay, so you have to call my attention, class, no? Kung masyado na akong mabilis. Didn't I give this, class? I think I provided this code. Diba? Kasama tong code na to sa binigay ko sa inyo. In fact, hanggang dulo na eh. May mga missing na lang na konti. Okay, sige, let's wait for Janine.
Sir,
Yes?
may lumabas po na error.
Error.
Error in GZ
Sige.
file.
Sige, tingnan natin,
open the connection.
Sige. Let's paki-share yung screen. Tinatsat kung ano yung problem. Check muna natin yung packages mo. I-type mo nga ggplot. Tingnan natin kung naka-load na. ggplot2. Naka-load na, no? Si reshape, tingnan mo nga. Reshape 2. SHAP. Although mamaya pa naman natin gagamitan. 2, yan. Okay, hindi pa na-install, ano? Sige, install mo muna. There, reshape 2. There. Install. Okay. Restart. Okay, huwag ka na muna mag-restart, no? Tatagal kasi. Okay, sige. I-load mo na siya. Alright. So, balik tayo dun sa code mo. Okay, sandali. Tingnan natin yung code mo muna. Chart series, Apple, name is equal to. So, okay naman yan. Asa na yung code chunk? Okay, meron. Okay. Meron kang may X ka dito sa ilalim, no? Tanggalin mo nga yung autoplot kasi nag-e-X eh. Nag-e-error yung mo. Okay yan. So, okay na, no? Okay na yung, asa na yung code chunk mo. Bakit wala kang ano, wait. Bakit, go up nga, go up. Let me see. Go up, please. Up a bit. Pwedeng ano, Sat, pwedeng increase mo yung, ano mo, yung, hindi, itong width mo.
Wait lang
Yung
po sir,
width,
naka-split screen po kasi ako.
okay, sige. Alright, yan, sige. Sana tayo. Okay. So, meron kang, okay, opening, closing ng ano. Alright. Chart series, Apple name is equal to. Okay, sige, i-run mo nga siya. Sabi, error in chart series. Small s ba yun, yung chart series mo? Small s ba siya? Dapat capital S,
Ah, capital po.
Capital,
Yes sir.
chart series. Pero nakaload naman yung quant mode mo. Check mo nga. Quant mode. Kasi could not find function chart series. Ayun, hindi nakaload si quant mode. Oh. Yan. Kaya hindi siya mag-run. So, okay, class, sandali, chat ha. Okay, this is an example where you're trying to work on a function, chart series. Si chart series nasa quant mode yan eh. So, unless you load quant mode, talaga siya mag-run. Okay, pakirun na ulit, Sat.
Ito na po. Diba naman yung error?
Error na naman. Okay. Bakit kaya? Nakaload na ba si quant mode? Check ulit natin. Check mo ulit si packages, please. Okay, dyan si quant mode, no? So, chart series, AAPL, comma, name is equal to Apple, tama yan. Theme is equal to white. Performance analytics, sige. Okay. Error in chart series. Pati nga ang Apple object mo. I-print mo nga yung, yan, sige nga. Check natin. I-view mo siya. I-view na lang, view. Yan, tama naman siya. Okay? So, existing naman yung Apple mo, no? O HLC siya. Okay, back to the code. Team. Copy mo nga ulit yan. Copy mo siya. Doon mo sa console i-run. Copy paste mo siya. Tapos dyan i-paste sa console. Sige, i-run mo nga dyan, control enter. Oh, ibig sabihin, merong code dito, may something dito sa ano dito na okay. So i-check mo na lang yung ano, no, kasi marami mga lines, minsan yung mga lines nag-aano eh.
Nagka-clash siya.
Okay. Yung may line ka dyan sa isa, yung naka-blue, yung nasa row. Yan, nag-run na, no? Yan na ba yon? Hindi pa.
Yes po. Ito yata.
Yan na, no, nag-run na siya. Okay? So, tingnan mo nga yung 562 kasi parang minsan baka may mga extraneous line 562. I-remove mo nga yung line na yan. Okay? Sige, ulit nga. Ayaw pa rin, no? Okay, so, pero pag rinarun sa console, nagra-run eh, no?
Yes
Yes,
po, sir.
Curve, may nakita ka ba? Curve?
May curious question lang ako sana, sir.
Yes.
regarding lang sa mga packages. Kasi every time I open, I notice ko it's not like checked. So do you have to like manually
Oh,
turn
yes,
on?
you have to, always. Kasi pag
Okay.
sinarado mo yung ano mo, pag sinarado mo yung, unless na hindi mo sinarado yung computer mo, tapos naka-open lang siya, naka-load pa rin yung package niya. Pero pag close mo na yung computer mo, nag-off, nag-shutdown ka na. Okay. When you open
Okay.
again kailangan i-load mo siya lagi. There are only some packages that comes preloaded. So pag binuksan mo siya, naka-load na kagad. Like stats, okay, may mga ibang packages na preloaded siya, pero many are not. Many are not preloaded, no?
Okay.
Okay.
That's another question din, sir. Kasi
Yeah,
sa
Curve.
code ni SAT, it's
Mm.
AAPL space price chart sa name. Pero
Oo.
sa ano screen mo kanina was AAPL dot price chart. Mag-matter ba yung period?
No, no. Kasi ano lang siya,
Okay, okay.
between quotations, di ba? So anything you put there, yun ang ipiprint. Kahit na ilagay
Ah,
ni Sadya na Bob, no? Apple Bob price, it doesn't matter. Kasi name lang
okay.
siya, no? Pangalan lang siya. It's just a parang title ng ano mo ng chart. So it will not okay, yung sinabi ni Curve, no? It will not matter kung yung name natin ano. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, so Sat, ganito na lang Siguro after this, tingnan ulit natin yan, no? Kasi ang suspicion ko dun sa code chunk mo baka may ano dyan, pero okay naman Wala namang problema kasi naka-comment nga yung mga ano mo hashtag, di ba? Okay,
Yes
one
po,
last,
sir.
ang iran mo yung ano, yung sa taas, yung nasa 558 yung dulo, yung ano mismo yung arrow, yung blue arrow na yan, yun ang iran mo, hindi yan. Go ups, nako. Go, yan ang iran mo. Sige nga, click mo siya. May error pa rin, no? Okay, cannot open
Try ko po.
compressed. Sige, i-ano na muna natin yan Pero kasi, di ba, pag kinopen mo yung code, one last time, i-copy mo yan, tapos sa console mo sa console, dyan mo ayan nagra-run siya So yung ano lang yan, okay, ganito, sa ilalim yan, Control-Alt-I ka nga, yan, i-copy mo yung code dyan, yan, sige, i-run mo siya, ayun, so, talagang may problem kasi yun lang naman natin, di ba?
Yes po, sir.
AAPL naman, tama naman yung spelling. Another one, please. Control-Alt-I ka ulit. Kasi baka dito sa ibang codes mo Sa ilalim, Control-Alt-I. Sige, i-type mo na chart series AAPL. Tanggalin mo muna yung iba, no? I-delete mo yung iba.
Sir, okay na po dun sa pangatlo.
Nag-run na. Oh, okay. GZ file
So
ang sabi,
there's
ano? Cannot open the connection. Okay. Sometimes this happens, class. Ibig sabihin, hindi nakaka-connect si get symbol sa Yahoo. Okay, pwede yon, no? That's possible. So, sometimes, pero sa akin, iba yung message. And the reason is, sa mga students ko, nagra-run sa akin hindi, kasi hindi nakaka-connect with ano. Okay? Alright. Thank you, Sat. Thank you, ha?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sige. Alright. Balik ulit ako sa ano natin. Ang ipopost ko rin, class, yung popost ko rin yung sa previous sections para at par kayo sa ano. Take time to see kung ano yung hindi natin na-discuss, class. Please watch the other videos too, especially the end. Tingnan nyo kung saan tapos. Alright. Okay, so ito sabi natin, di ba? Ang default niya, black. Okay. Let's now do this. Huwag sana mag-hang. Please. Alright. Alright, now let's do this, class. Ito. I-share ko sa inyo to kasi hindi ko nang binigay sa inyo to, no? Here. Pati dito na rin. Meron kayo nito eh. So this one. Control C. Okay, in case you don't have this, kasi yung kanino kay Sat nakita ko parang na-delete yung ano eh, yung hindi, isama ko na to class. Dali ah. And then there are other codes kasi na ginawa namin kanina. Okay, ito. Okay, baka hindi magkasya. Ito na lang. Control C. Control V. Please cooperate. Yeah, okay, good. So kumasya siya. Sige, pakicopy niyan class. And then let's discuss what this code does. Nagahang. Please do not. Yan, okay. Okay, take a look at this class. I said class, si chart series, pwede siyang mag-plot ng OHLC na data. Pwede rin siyang mag-plot ng univariate na data. So, so you know, Apple, dollar adjusted, di ba? Ibibigay lang yan, adjusted price. And then, sinubset ko pa class, take note. Tingnan nyo kung paano mag-subset ng dito sa XTS, no? Brackets, quotes, 2024-01-01. So this is January 1, 2024. Okay, lagyan ko muna dito ng class, ng 12, December lang class, December na lang, no? December 1 up to December 30. 2024-12-01 / 2024-12-30. Quotes. Right? And then name, ganun din, theme white. Okay? And then technical analysis null. So I'm going to run this. Okay. And then you can see here, class. Okay. Line, no? Line, ano siya? Line plot. Okay. We can change class hindi pa. Not yet. So line plot siya. Okay. Now you notice class that hindi, mamaya pa yun. Sorry. Okay. What we learned here is you can plot univariate and then i-subset pa natin class. How about this class? Ito class, I'm not using chart series, rather I'm using autoplot. Autoplot is from ggplot2. Okay, ggplot class normally does not accommodate an XTS object. Okay, pero nag-create siya ng function autoplot which can account for, which can accommodate ito XTS object to, di ba? Okay, so take a look at the syntax. Autoplot itong log returns natin, and then plus. Yung plus class dapat nasa dulo dito. It cannot be here. Hindi siya mag-run kung andi dito siya sa next line. So plus title, okay, plus X label, plus Y label, plus theme minimal. Maraming klaseng themes, no? So this is a basic theme. Let's run this. Then we'll see how the autoplot function can, okay. Okay. So now you see here class na, di ba returns to eh, returns. And ito class, returns normally behave this way. Yan. And what's noticeable about this is that meron tayong, tingnan nyo to class, no? Here. Ito na lang. Here, meron tayo ditong, okay, look here class. Okay, meron tayong mga areas na returns na nagka-cluster sila, no? Na mataas sila. Okay? beyond the, okay, above these lines, no? And this is called class volatility clustering. Volatility clusters, no? Clustering. Okay? Ano yung volatility clustering class? It's the tendency of your data to decrease, keep on decreasing. No? Ito. And 2022 class, no? 2020 siya. COVID. Start ng COVID to. So you can notice here yung clustering dito. Pero meron din siya dito, no? Okay? The tendency for the prices naman returns to go up. Okay? And dito, yung down, no? So, ganun din dito in some portions here. Okay? Volatility clustering is very important. When later on class, we're going to have lessons on how do we model these Apple returns. Okay? You have to forecast this. Kunyari, if forecast natin yung next 1 month, how do we forecast that? Okay? And then when you forecast this, we use a method called ARIMA, Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average, which we'll discuss in the future class. And also, yung ARIMA class, hindi niya kayang i-model itong mga to, yung volatility clustering. So that will require a model called GARCH. Okay, so it might sound Greek to you now, class, but in the next few weeks, discuss natin to. So one of the objective of this class is for you to finish this course na dapat na may knowledge sa kayo ng ARIMA at saka ng GARCH. ARIMA stands for Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average. GARCH stands for Generalized Autoregressive Conditional Heteroscedasticity. So used for modeling volatility ito. Okay, used for modeling the returns. So volatility clustering is important because it can be used for a study of volatility spillover. Ano yung volatility spillover? Si Apple class. Itong clustering niya dito nakaka-affect ba kay Microsoft? Okay. Okay, so if we study the effect of the behavior of the returns of Apple and see its impact on another asset like Microsoft, that's called volatility spillover. Nagsi-spill over ba yung clustering ni Apple kay Microsoft? Okay? So these are things that we're going to learn in the next few weeks. Okay? So alis muna ako dito, class. I just wanted to explain itong mga clustering dito, volatility clustering. All right. So this is a univariate data, no? Now we can use yes, Kyle? Kyle,
Wala
yes?
pong AAPL log return font mode po. Per autoplot po.
Sandali. Sige, paki-share yung screen mo. Apple log return quant mode. Baka hindi mo siya naran dati. Tingnan mo sa objects mo. Paki-increase yung size ng environment, please. Dito sa environment, Kyle, dito sa baba. Apple log returns cum. Wala ka nga, oh. Apple log returns. Meron kang PA. Wala kang quant mode. So sa ilalim, yan, hindi siya. Meron tayong Apple simple returns, Apple log returns. No? Go down, please. Go down. Okay, mag-control F ka. Control F, Kyle, please. And then, yan, type mo dyan, AAPL underscore log underscore returns. Yan. Asan? Asa no more occurrences. Clinic mo ba siya? Meron?
Wala po, sir.
Okay, you have to run that, no? Sige. Dito na lang sa dito na lang sa console. Sige, AAPL. Wala siya sa environment mo. Kaya hindi talaga mag-run yan. So mag-create ka muna. Dito sa console na lang. AAPL underscore AAPL underscore. I-click mo na lang tong si log returns, log return PA. I-click mo siya. Sige. Ito na lang, yung sa taas, log monthly. Yung susunod. Ayan, tanggalin mo yung monthly, no? Remove yung monthly, okay? Remove mo siya, okay? And then, sige, alt minus, assignment operator. Alt minus, naka-Mac ka ba? Naka-Mac ka ba, Kyle?
No, sir.
I-press mo alt tapos minus, yung shortcut, yung assignment operator. Alt tapos minus. Press mo si alt. Okay, ano na lang, less than and then minus. Ayan na lang, sige. Daily return. Type mo daily return. Capital yung R, capital yung return. Okay, open and close. Apple adjusted close. AAPL. Hanapin mo underscore adjusted. Adjusted. Sige, type pa. Underscore. Okay. Tama ba spelling? Hindi APPL, AAPL. Mali yung spelling. Alright, sige, run mo yan. Control Enter mo. Okay, so meron ka na. Yan, Apple log returns quant mode. Yan, meron na, no? Sige, baba ka na. So i-plot mo na yung ano. Plot mo na si ano. And si
Ganun pa rin po.
may si object AAPL log. Balik ka sa taas kanina. Arrow up. Dito sa console. Okay. So, ang learning natin dito, sige, up pa, up. Sige, up arrow. Sige pa. Ang sige, yun na, yung kanina. Sige. Ayan, yan, okay. Ang learning natin dito, yung dun sa kanina, log return yun di ba? Yan, sige, palitan mo. Sige, enter mo. Okay. Log return. Log return ka kasi dito. Autoplot, ayan, meron na, ha? Okay, so yung name, name, Kyle, ang importante dito, kailangan pag weather chart series, kailangan existing yung object. Kailangan nasa environment mo. Kung wala doon, then hindi talaga mag-run yan. So, kailangan make sure you create that. Okay, Kyle? Kyle, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sige. Alright. So, share ulit ako, class. Ano na pala. Okay, ganito na lang, class, ha. Now, let's see. So again, magta-time na, class, but if you need to leave, okay lang, class, no? I'll just continue this for the purposes of recording. Okay? So I sent this ito, rina na ba natin to? Okay, rina na natin to, no? So ito, class, ginawa kong December. So ang pinaplot natin dito, class, si Apple
Hindi
mismo.
po ata kayo naka-share
Share screen. Okay,
screen.
sorry. Okay, thank you for reminding me. Okay. Saan yun? Share screen. Okay, plus you may leave na lang, wag na kayo mag-permission na. I'll just keep on recording so that ma-cover ko lang, class, yung ipopost ko tong recording natin ngayon. Okay, share. Sorry, medyo naghahang tong computer ko ngayon, Okay, ang tagal, Snail paste siya. Okay. Alright. Saan na ako? Ayaw mong gumalaw. Okay, here class. I'm going to run this. So I'm going to plot using chart series ulit class. Okay, this time, ang ipa-plot lang natin yung adjusted price. Okay, at saka itong month lang na to. Okay, it will also be just a class. Line plot lang to, no? Line plot lang siya. Okay, run. Now, if I'm going to remove this class, palitan ko to, no? I'm going to change this. Hindi lang yung adjusted class ang ipa-plot ko. Ang ipa-plot yung buong Apple. Nagang yata. Ayan. Okay. Ang dami pa naman. Ay, nako, sorry class ha. Wala na, nag-hang na class. Okay, ang gagawin ko sana, tatanggalin ko si Apple adjusted, no? Okay, subukan nyo lang class yung i-run yun. Sorry medyo nag-hang na tong ano ko. Bali Apple and then naka-brackets pa rin yung 2024-12-01/20. Don't forget the quotes. No? AAPL. Brackets. Square brackets. Okay, 2024, and then 12/01. Okay, here you go class, no? Chart series. Kulang ako ng quotes dito. Make sure it's open quotes. Alright, mawawala na yan. Okay, i-run ko to class ha. Run. Okay, take note class. It's now a candlestick. Nag-default siya into a candlestick. We have an OHLC object class. Okay, and then ito, sabi ko December lang 2024. Okay, and then I have here, this is what we call a candlestick. So the long code for this is, actually ang ginawa natin dito, type is equal to, it's just like including this, pero default naman siya, type is equal to candlesticks. There. Then comma here, comma. All right. So pareho lang yung class. Pag rinan ko, I will not run it anymore. But what's important here is that you have two types of candlesticks here. One is green and one is red. No? Okay. Ano ibig sabihin ng green class? Itong green class, let's take a look at the opening at saka closing. And then yung lowest at saka highest. Okay. Pag green class, ibig sabihin nun, yung closing price is higher than the opening. Yun ang kino-compare natin. Okay? So where do you find that? Ito class yung closing, yung opening. Ito dito sa candle, no? Yan. Sa candle, natin makikita si OC. If it's the reverse, kunyari, mas mataas yung opening kaysa closing, ibig sabihin bumaba yung price, kulay red yun. Ito yun. So ito class yung opening, ito yung closing. Okay? So, very easy naman to interpret, no? And this one class, yung whisker dito, ito class, this one here is the lowest price, and this one is the highest price. Now, sometimes, makikita nyo lang, ganito lang, no? And let's say this is colored green. Ano ibig sabihin nito? So, green, ibig sabihin, dito si closing, dito si opening. Okay. Tapos, Asan si high low? Si high class, dito pa rin kasi wala kang weak dito, no? So, ibig sabihin, dito yung high. Tapos dito din yung low. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung closing at saka high, pareho siya. Opening at saka low, pareho siya. Okay? If this was red, baliktad, no? Ito yung open, dito naman, pag red to, opening dito, closing naman dito. Low, high, ganun pa rin. Lowest will always be below the highest. Okay. So just continuing my discussion class. Okay. Okay. I have here some other class, no? I have here some other ito autoplot. Actually, we ran this already a while ago. Ito class, nag-create lang tayo ng panibagong object, no? December 2024. Ito pareho lang to, no? We just created this 2024, 1201, 2024, 1230. So, nag-create lang tayo, which is just the same as this one, no? Pero ito class, lahat, no? Ito naman class, okay, lahat pa rin to. And then, kinuha natin adjusted. No? Kinuha natin adjusted, tapos, wait, ano ba ginawa natin dito? Kung wala naman yung daily returns, okay, tapos plinat lang natin dito. Okay, same thing lang naman, no? And you can see here that so autoplot class line yung line yung plot natin. Right? Ito inulit ko lang class yung candlestick, no? Okay? And then this one class. Ito lang gusto ko ma-discuss and then I'll end here. Take a look at this one class. Apple and then sinubset ulit natin, no? Okay, I'll share this. Control C. For those of you who are still here. Ang dami pa rin. Thank you for staying. I appreciate that. Okay. Ito lang naman class, no? Here. Okay, gawin natin theme. Okay, black na lang class, no? Okay. Again, ito naman class, gawin natin okay, gawin natin the whole 2024. Okay, so gawin ko tong 2024 ton. Okay. So type is equal to candlesticks, which is actually the default. And then take note of this class. Technical analysis. I-add ko si volume, take note. Quotes, add VO, open parenthesis, semicolon, add MACD, parenthesis, add BB bands, Bollinger Band. So, iba't ibang technical indicators class. This is an example. If you run this class, okay, you can now see how powerful chart series is. Yeah. So, mag-a-add siya ng volume. Ito yung volume class, number of shares traded. Mag-a-add siya ng Bollinger Bands. Ito yun. Okay. Mag-a-add siya ng MACD here. Okay. Of course, I'll leave you class. I'll leave you to maybe in the towards the end, medyo magdi-discuss tayo ng konting ganitong technical analysis, no? All right. So this is just an example. And then ito class, of course, super late na, no? This is itong histogram. Okay. Nasa inyo naman yan class. Itong box plot. Okay. Tapos itong scatter plot, yung correlation niya, class. This was discussed in the other section. So I'm going to post that video also. So ipopost ko yung video natin at saka yung video na other section. May I request you to kindly watch na lang yung last part, no? Itong histogram, itong box plot, itong scatter plot, okay? And then we created ito yung scatter plot, no? We created Microsoft log returns and Apple log returns. Okay, so madali naman siya and then computed for the correlation 0.75. So ibig sabihin, talagang mataas yung correlation ni Microsoft and log returns. So it could be indicative that pag naapektuhan si Apple, pwedeng may volatility spillover. Okay, kasi highly correlated sila. All right, so that ends our discussion for today. Thank you so much, class. I'll